A very good morning, dear students. In our last class, we started the chapter Degrees of Comparison, and we learnt about 3 degrees of comparison. There are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree, and also how to convert the 3 degrees of comparison into one another. Okay, so today we are going to start from page number 52. So in this class we are going to learn about some uses of some words, okay, some degrees of comparison, like note the difference in application of some of these. Okay, there are some words which are, we came to know about these words, many, much, late, old. So there is a difference between the among the uses of these words, so we'll discuss about these things. Okay, look, much. Okay, the word much means a large quantity of. When you are talking about a quantity of something, then you can use much. It is used with uncountables. Okay, a quantity of something, that means we don't know, we cannot count the things, right? Much is used with, the word much is used with uncountable things. Okay, and many means a large number of. Okay, many is used when you are talking about large number, zyada number में zyada. Okay, and much is used when quantity में zyada. Okay, so many means a large number of. It is used with the plurals of countables. Okay, जब countable thing हो और ज्यादा हो, गिन सकते हो आप, उन चीजों को काउंट कर सकते हो, और वो ज्यादा हो, नंबर में प्लूरल हो, then you can use many. Okay, and much is used with uncountables, and many is used with countables. Okay, countable things. There is much ink in the bottle. So ink cannot be counted, no? We can just think about the quantity of ink, not ink cannot be counted. So much is used with ink. Okay, I will need many cartons for these books. So cartons can be counted, no? Many cartons, zyada cartons मिलेंगे. Cartons are countable. So many is used with cartons. Okay. Now the next words are later, latest. Okay, later and latest refer to time. Okay, the word later and latest refer to time, whereas later and last refer to position. Means in sense of time, means keeping in mind about time. When you need to tell about time, then you can use the words later and latest. Okay, later is used some like बाद में. Okay, बाद में, तो ये टाइम बता रहा है ना, बाद कुछ टाइम बाद, तो ये टाइम बता रहा है. That is why later is used. And latest means जो नया अभी आया है, जो नया है. ठीक है, मतलब अभी हाल फिलहाल में जो निकला है, या जो हाल फिलहाल में जो नया आया है या बना है या ऐसा कुछ. ओके, लेटेस्ट. सो ये भी टाइम बता रहा है ना, जल्दी में कुछ आया है या फिर हाल फिलहाल में आया है. ठीक है, मतलब कुछ ही टाइम पहले आया है, ऐसा कुछ. तो लेटेस्ट. तो लेटर और लेटेस्ट टाइम के बारे में बातें करते हैं. ठीक है, वेयरएज लेटर एंड लास्ट, ठीक है, रेफर टू पोजीशन. लेटर और लास्ट पोजीशन बताते हैं. जैसे कि लेटर, ये लेटर कब यूज होता है, जैसे कि पहला वाला दूसरा वाला हम बोलते हैं ना, तो फर्स्ट वन द लेटर वन. लेटर वन मतलब दूसरा वाला. ठीक है, तो ये लेटर पोजीशन बता रहा है ना, पहला दूसरा. ठीक है, पहला तो फर्स्ट वन, लेटर मतलब दूसरा वाला, तो दूसरा मतलब एक पोजीशन बता रहा है ना. लास्ट भी पोजीशन है ना, लास्ट बेंच बोलते हैं हम लोग, लास्ट डे, है ना, ये पोजीशन बताता है. ठीक है, तो एग्जाम्पल्स देख लो, क्लियर हो जाएगा. आई विल कम लेटर, मैं बाद में आऊंगा, तो लेटर टाइम बता रहा है. ठीक है, आई डू नॉट हैव द लेटेस्ट न्यूज, मेरे पास लेटेस्ट न्यूज नहीं है. लेटेस्ट मतलब जो नया आया है, हाल फिलहाल में कुछ ही समय में जो आया है, वो मेरे पास ऐसा न्यूज नहीं है, तो ये भी टाइम बता रहा है. ठीक है, द लास्ट चैप्टर इज नॉट वेरी वेल रिटन. लास्ट, कौन सा चैप्टर? लास्ट. लास्ट पोजिशन ऑफ द चैप्टर, लास्ट पोजिशन है ना, ये पोजिशन बता रहा है लास्ट. ठीक है, द फॉर्मर इज एफिशिएंट बट द लेटर इज नॉट, मतलब पहला वाला एफिशिएंट है लेकिन दूसरा वाला एफिशिएंट नहीं है. यहाँ पर लेटर दूसरा वाला मीन करता है, लेटर का मीनिंग है दूसरा वाला. ठीक है, तो इट डिनोट्स द पोजीशन, नो, एंड दैट इज व्हाई यू कैन understand this line, right? Later and latest denote times, and later and last denotes position. Okay, Now, elder and eldest are used only for persons, mostly with reference to members of the same family. Okay, elder and eldest, they are the comparative and superlative degree of the word old, no? So old can be written as, look at that, old can be the comparative degree of called old can be older, elder, and superlative degree will be oldest, eldest, right? So there is a difference between the use of older and elder, oldest and eldest, right? So this is the thing. Look, elder and eldest are used only for persons. Elder and eldest, okay, बड़ा बताने के लिए किसी को एल्डर और एल्डेस्ट टाइप्स, ये दोनों वर्ड हम लोग सिर्फ पर्सन्स के लिए ही यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सिर्फ इंसानों के लिए. मोस्टली विथ रेफरेंस टू मेंबर्स ऑफ द सेम फैमिली. अगर एक फैमिली के बारे में बात करते हैं तो ज्यादातर ये फैमिली मेंबर्स के बारे में बात होती है, जैसे कि ही इज माई एल्डर ब्रदर, शी इज माई एल्डर सिस्टर. ओके, शी इज द एल्डेस्ट ब्रदर ऑफ द फैमिली, शी इज द एल्डेस्ट सन ऑफ द फैमिली. ओके, तो इस तरफ से फैमिली के बारे में जब बात होती है तब एल्डर और एल्डेस्ट यूज होता है सिर्फ इंसानों के लिए. वी डू नॉट यूज दीज वर्ड्स विथ एनिमल्स और थिंग्स. हम चीजों या जानवरों के बारे में एल्डर एंड एल्डेस्ट यूज नहीं कर सकते. वी कैन नॉट राइट द कैट इज एल्डर देन द डॉग, नो. ओके, ओल्डर एंड ओल्डेस्ट कैन बी यूज्ड विथ रेफरेंस टू बोथ पर्सन्स एंड थिंग्स. Okay, older and oldest can be written for persons also and things also. Okay, look at the examples. I will speak to my elder brother. Okay, here brother, family member, that is why elder is used. Okay, Ravi is the eldest son. Ravi is the eldest son, so son, family member, that is why eldest is written. Okay, सबसे बड़ा बेटा. Okay, बड़ा भाई. This is the oldest church in the city. So church is not a family member, right? Church is not a person, it's a thing. That is why oldest is written. सबसे पुराना church. Okay, oldest. Karan is the oldest member of the group. So here we are not talking. Oldest is written for Karan is a person, people. But Karan is a person, but it is not about the family member. Karan is the oldest member of the group. It is talking about some group, not about family member. That is why oldest is written and not eldest. Okay. Next, farther denotes distance between 2 points, while further means additional. Okay. Farther denotes distance between 2 points. Farther एक जगह से दूसरी जगह का distance बताता है. Okay. Distance between 2 points, while और FURTHER further means additional. थोड़ा मतलब और ज्यादा. ओके, तो डिफरेंस देखो मिल जाएगा एग्जाम्पल से. लेट अस वॉक अ लिटिल फार्दर. यहाँ पर फार्दर लगता है कि और थोड़ा चलें. ठीक है, मतलब और थोड़ा जाएं, ये डिस्टेंस बताता है. ठीक है, लेट अस वॉक अ लिटिल फार्दर, थोड़ा और चलते हैं, थोड़ा और जाते हैं. तो ये थोड़ा मतलब एक दूर, एक डिस्टेंस बताता है. ठीक है, फार्दर. एंड वी विल हैव नो फर्दर डिस्कशन ऑन दिस. We will have no further discussion on this. इस मैटर पे हम अब ज्यादा बात नहीं करेंगे. तो ये फर्दर क्या बताता है? और ज्यादा बात. मैंने कहा ना, फर्दर मतलब एडिशनल, और ज्यादा. तो इस मैटर में हम और डिस्कशन, और ज्यादा डिस्कशन नहीं करेंगे. तो ये और ज्यादा बताने के लिए फर्दर यूज हुआ है. ओके, सो फार्दर FARTHER फार्दर डिस्टेंस बताता है, और फर्दर क्या बताता है? और ज्यादा. फर्दर डिस्कशन मतलब और ज्यादा डिस्कशन इस बारे में नहीं होगा ऐसे. ठीक है, फर्दर. नेक्स्ट, नियरेस्ट डिनोट्स नियरनेस इन स्पेस और डिस्टेंस. ठीक है, नियरेस्ट क्या लगता है? डिस्टेंस बताने के लिए. ठीक है, कितना दूर है. नियरेस्ट मतलब सबसे पास हमारे, है ना. तो ये डिस्टेंस के बारे में बताता है ना. व्हाइल नेक्स्ट डिनोट्स ऑर्डर और पोजीशन. और नेक्स्ट का भी यूज करते हैं हम लोग जब किसी ऑर्डर के बारे में, मतलब सीरियल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट सीरीज आता है, एक सीरियल आता है ना. तो नेक्स्ट एक पोजीशन बताता है. पोजीशन जैसे कि शी इज सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू मी, मतलब वो ठीक मेरे पास बैठी है. ठीक है, तो मतलब ये नेक्स्ट क्या बताता है? पोजीशन. और नियरेस्ट क्या बताता है? डिस्टेंस के बारे में, कि वो कितना दूर है, या मतलब वो हमारे ज्यादा पास है. नियरेस्ट डिस्टेंस के लिए यूज होता है, और नेक्स्ट पोजीशन के लिए, कि वो जैसे कि हम कहते हैं कि वो मेरे बहुत पास है, तो वो नियरेस्ट बोलेंगे हम लोग डिस्टेंस के ऊपर. ठीक है, और वो मेरे ठीक बगल में है, तब हम लोग नेक्स्ट यूज करेंगे. ओके, लुक, आई वर्क टू द नियरेस्ट पोस्ट ऑफिस. I walked to the nearest post office. पोस्ट ऑफिस जो हमारे बहुत पास है, नियरेस्ट, सबसे पास वाले पोस्ट ऑफिस, सबसे पास वाले पोस्ट ऑफिस के में गई. ठीक है, तो ये नियरेस्ट डिस्टेंस के हिसाब से यूज हो रहा है ना, सबसे पास वाला पोस्ट ऑफिस डिस्टेंस के हिसाब से बोला गया है. एंड शी सेट नेक्स्ट टू मी, वो मेरे ठीक बगल में बैठी. तो ये नेक्स्ट पोजीशन के बारे में बात हो रहा है कि वो कहाँ बैठी, वो बगल में बैठी. ठीक है, तो ये नियरेस्ट और नेक्स्ट के बीच में डिफरेंस है. बगल में जब हम लोग बोलते हैं तब नेक्स्ट, और जब बोलते हैं बगल वाले के पास गए थे तब नियरेस्ट होता है. जैसे कि मतलब सबसे पास वाले तब नियरेस्ट, और बगल में ही जो थे, बगल में जो है वो नेक्स्ट. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टू मी, लाइक हिज हाउस इज नेक्स्ट टू मी मीन्स ही लिव्स नेक्स्ट टू मी, मतलब वो मेरे ठीक बगल में रहता है. तो इट इज नेक्स्ट इज डिनोटिंग द पोजीशन, राइट. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन नियरेस्ट एंड नेक्स्ट. नाउ लुक, some comparatives such as inferior, superior, junior and senior that end in or are followed by to instead of than in a sentence. Means comparative words, comparative degrees like inferior, superior, junior and senior, these types of words which are ending with or, last finishing में क्या आ रहा है, or, and they are to be used with to. Inferior to, superior to, we cannot write inferior than, superior than. Okay, so instead of than in a sentence में ये लोग इनके साथ, जैसे बाकी comparative degree में हम लोग than यूज करते हैं ना, than, then she is better than you, but inferior के साथ हम लोग than नहीं लगा सकते. we'll have to write to, she is inferior to you, okay, or she is superior to you, like that. We cannot add the word more before these words. So another thing that we use with comparative degree, that we write more with the word, no, more beautiful, more intelligent, but we cannot write more with these words, more inferior, more superior. No, these are these words in itself are in the comparative degree, so we don't need to add these extra words with them. Okay, look at the examples. The quality of his material is inferior to the one we bought yesterday. The quality of this material is inferior to the one we bought yesterday. आज जो मतलब ये जो आज वाला जो मटेरियल है वो खराब है. किससे? जो हमने लास्ट डे खरीदा था उससे ये वाला मटेरियल खराब है. तो there is a comparison, no, and this is a comparative degree, and but we have used inferior to. Okay, now these books are superior to those published last year. So these books are superior to those published in last year. There is a comparison and we found that these books are superior to those published last year. Next, he is junior to all his colleagues. Look, here is also junior to is written, superior to, inferior to. Okay, he is junior to all his colleagues, and we cannot write he is more junior to all his colleagues, right? So junior, superior, inferior and there is senior, all are used with to. Look, all his colleagues are senior to him. Here is also to is used with senior. Okay, and we cannot write more with that. Next, when a comparison is made between two people or things of equal value, we use as dash as in the sentence. Okay, when there is a comparison, you will have to make a comparison between two or more same people or thing. Okay, like in a same quality, they may be of equal value. Okay, so they will be of equal value, and we can use as dash as. How? Look at the examples. This girl is as hardworking as the other girl. Okay, because both are of same. Both are of same value, means they are both hardworking. So we can write as hardworking as the other girl. So as dash as means as hardworking as, and then thereafter you will have to write the word, adjective word. Okay, and then you will have to again write as, and the sentence will be complete. She is as bright as her mother. So she and her mother both are bright, so same value, and that is why we can compare them and say that they are of same value. How? By using as dash as bright as. She is as bright as her mother. Okay, so these types of comparison can be also made. Now, when two people or things are compared with each other, we use the word other to exclude the former. Okay, when you are talking about two people, okay, two persons or things, then you need to compare them, then we can use the word other to exclude the former. Means जो पहले बारे में जिसके बारे में बात कर रहा है उसको हटाने के लिए. Like Solomon was wiser than any other king. ओके, सो सोलोमन के बारे में लिखा है और बाकी जितने भी किंग्स के बारे में लिखा है वो उसका नाम बस ये अदर से बताया गया है ना. सोलोमन वाज वाइजर देन एनी अदर किंग. बाकी किसी भी किंग से सोलोमन वाइजर था, वाइज था ज्यादा. सोलोमन वाज वाइजर देन एनी किंग. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज we'll have to write other, any other king. Okay, then it will be complete. Solomon was wiser than any other king. Okay, so other can be used to carry the meaning of all other extra thing, people or thing that we are talking about. Okay, like the person who is more important, or the person about whom this is talking, and the group in which they belong. Okay, next one is, when one person or thing is said to surpass all other people or things of the same kind, we use the superlative degree in the following manner. So when you are talking about, you will have to compare, and you will have to say that one person or thing is the most important, or this is the superlative degree. No, when we talk about one person or thing is the most important, or he has the highest degree of quality, right? Highest quality, then we use superlative degree. No, so superlative degree can also be used in the following way, like this student is the most intelligent of all. सब में से he is the most intelligent. So this student is said to surpass all. Surpass means सबसे श्रेष्ठ होना. Okay, so most intelligent, superlative degree. Okay, so superlative degree is used in this form. Okay, this student is the most intelligent of all. In this way we can use the superlative degrees in the sentence. Okay, the superlative degree can also be expressed by using the comparative form in this way. So superlative degree can be expressed using comparative degree. How? This student is more intelligent than all other students in the class. So here we have stated the same idea, that the student is most intelligent than any other student in the class, right? So the same idea is carried in the comparative degree also. More intelligent than. So more intelligent than is used in comparative degree. No, this student is more intelligent than all other students in the class. So it is written in the comparative degree, because more intelligent than, THA and then are used in comparative degree, and here is a comparison between him, the student, and all other students in the class. So this is the comparative degree written. This is the superlative degree which is written in the comparative form, right? Now do remember that double comparatives and double superlatives must not be used. We cannot write double comparative and double superlative. How? Look, he is more stronger than me. So more is for comparative degree. Stronger, strong, stronger, strongest. Stronger is also comparative degree. So there is a double comparative degree which is incorrect. Okay, so correct is he is stronger than me. The words which cannot be turned into comparative degree, like beautiful, we cannot write beautifuler. So in this case we will have to write more beautiful. We cannot write more with everything. Okay, every word. So the word which cannot be written into comparative degree, then only we will have to use the word more. Okay, like he is, if stronger is there, no, strong, stronger, strongest. So stronger is the comparative degree. So we can write simply the stronger, and we do not need to add more, right? More नहीं लिखने की जरूरत है. So he is stronger than me. It is correct. Now he is the most luckiest person. So, most is also superlative degree, luckiest is also superlative degree. So this is incorrect. So this is a double superlative degree which is incorrect. The correct is he is the luckiest person. The luckiest person. Most cannot be used when luckiest is there. So like most can be used with beautiful, right? We cannot write beautifulest, right? So we will have to add most beautiful. But when lucky, luckier, luckiest. So there is a comparison form and superlative form of the word lucky. No, that is why we do not need to add more or most with lucky. Okay, luckiest, this is wrong. Most luckiest, double comparative and double superlative cannot be written. Okay, keep in mind that. Now look at this. It is possible to change the degree of comparison of a sentence without changing its meaning. So we can change the degrees of comparison, like positive into comparative, comparative into superlative, and so on. We can change the degrees of comparison and without changing the meaning. The meaning will be same. For example, this tree is as big as that. So this is a positive sentence. Okay, we have not written bigger, right? So this tree is as big as that. It is a positive form. Now that tree is not bigger than this. So same thing, no? This tree is as big as that. Then ये ट्री उस ट्री से समान है, तो उस ट्री के समान है. देन दैट ट्री इज नॉट बिगर देन दिस, तो वो ट्री इस ट्री से बड़ा नहीं है. मीनिंग तो सेम ही है, बट द फॉर्म इज डिफरेंट. हियर दिस इज पॉजिटिव फॉर्म एंड नॉट बिगर. Bigger, big, bigger, biggest. So bigger is the comparative degree and THA and then is also there. Okay, this is why this is the comparative form. So positive sentence can be turned into comparative without changing the meaning. Got that? Next, Karuna is the best student in the school. This is the superlative degree. The best, good, better, best. Best is the superlative form, right? So Karuna is the best student in the school. Superlative degree. Now Karuna is better than any other student in the school. Better than, good, better. Better is the comparative degree. Best is the superlative degree. Better is the comparative degree, and THA and then is also written, which we use in comparative degree. So Karuna is better than any other student in the school. In the first sentence the meaning is that Karuna is the best, right? In the second sentence also look at that, Karuna is the better than any other. बाकी सब बच्चों से वो अच्छी है. Okay, and Karuna is the best student. So the meaning are same, no? Meaning are same, but only the forms are different. First one is superlative, the second one is comparative. Okay, meaning is same. Next, very few auto drivers are as honest as Randhir. Okay, so as honest as, this is the positive form. हाँ, कुछ ही ऑटो ड्राइवर हैं जो रणधीर के समान ऑनेस्ट हैं. Okay, so this is a positive degree. Positive form. Randhir is one of the most honest auto drivers. So the most honest. Okay, the most honest में से कुछ ही लोगों में से ये रणधीर एक है. So the most honest is the superlative form. So the meaning is same, no? This is the positive sentence and the second one is superlative, but the meaning is same. Now no other fruit is as nutritious as the banana. This is the positive degree, as nutritious as, right? So no other fruit is as nutritious as the banana. So this is the positive degree. Banana is the most nutritious fruit. This is the superlative degree. The most nutritious, most, right? Superlative degree. So in this manner we can, and the meaning is also not changed. The first one is positive, the second one is superlative, but the meaning is same, right? So in this manner we can change the form of the degree of the sentence without changing the meaning. Clear? So we have learnt about some words that can be used differently in different sentence, and according to the sentence we can use the words, and we cannot write anything anywhere, right? And also about some words which are used in and how to use in comparative, superlative and positive degree, and about to convert, how we can convert the degrees without changing the meaning. So I hope you have understood all the things, and if you still have any problem then please contact me. For today the class is over. Thank you.